Chevrolet has unveiled new details about the performance capabilities of the highly anticipated 2025 Chevrolet Corvette ZR1, and the numbers are astonishing. Packing a remarkable 1,064 horsepower under its hood, this iteration of the Corvette stands poised to redefine what an American hypercar can achieve. With its blend of advanced engineering and raw power, the ZR1 is delivering performance metrics that rival some of the most prestigious names in the automotive world. When it comes to acceleration, the Corvette ZR1 is nothing short of breathtaking. Equipped with the optional ZTK package, which includes a Carbon Fiber Aero package and high-performance Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2R tires, the ZR1 can launch from 0 to 60 miles per hour in an eye-watering 2.3 seconds. It covers the quarter mile in a mere 9.6 seconds, reaching a trap speed of 150 miles per hour. These figures place it in the same performance category as elite hypercars like the Bugatti and McLaren P1. Even without the ZTK package, the Corvette ZR1 remains a force to be reckoned with. The standard version clocks 0 to 60 in 2.5 seconds and completes the quarter mile in 9.7 seconds, with a slightly higher trap speed of 152 miles per hour. Chevrolet conducted these tests on an unprepared drag strip, suggesting the ZR1's potential could be even greater under optimized conditions. Top speed enthusiasts will also be thrilled to know the 2025 ZR1 achieved a blistering 233 miles per hour at the high-speed oval track in Papenburg, Germany. According to Josh Holder, the Corvette's chief engineer, this milestone solidifies the ZR1 as an unparalleled contender in its price range. The 2025 Corvette ZR1 has once again exceeded our expectations, Holder noted. It delivers unmatched power and performance at a fraction of the cost of other hypercars. The heart of this engineering marvel is a 5.5-liter flat-plane crank V8 engine equipped with twin turbochargers. Generating an impressive 828 pound-feet of torque at 6,000 revolutions per minute, this powerhouse propels the Corvette ZR1 to new heights in automotive performance. With its combination of cutting-edge aerodynamics, jaw-dropping speed, and unmatched value, the 2025 Chevrolet Corvette ZR1 cements its status as the ultimate American hypercar. Pricing details are yet to be revealed, but this extraordinary machine is sure to make waves in the automotive world.